Right then folks, here we go. Lotus XL in bright red, look. It's the one to have. Good looking car these. I ran one myself for a few months. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Lovely car. When they're right, they're lovely. Excuse me. Now inside, quite pleasant. Not bad at all. A little bit of wear on the seats as to be expected, but generally speaking, nice. Headlining fantastic. Best headlining I have seen. Normally get a bit of sag, don't you? Rubber hanging off the door a little bit there. Look, wants reattaching. Look, yeah. Anyway, that's that. Showing, where are we? 34,000 miles. We'll take that with a pinch of salt, although there may be some correspondence here. We'll have a look in a minute. Nice set of wheels. Centre caps moves then. Oh, centre caps knocked out of that one, look. But anyway, at least you've got it. Just wants clipping back in, look. Very clean and smart on the body. Very clean and smart on the body. Few bits in there. Air filter. And some odds and sods, look. Nothing much to report at all in there, to be honest. Same story down this side. Ever so clean. Ever so smart and tidy. Again, nice wheels, little tiny bit of curb damage on that one there, look, minimal. Door drops a bit when you open it. Door drops quite a bit when you open it. But that aside, rest of it is good. She wants lifting up that door. A little bit of corrosion there, look. As I say, all seems to be good in there. I haven't driven it myself. I've heard it start and run, move, but I can't vouch for the drive of it, I'm afraid. I think the condition of the car speaks for itself in that department, personally. Now, paperwork wise, bit of all sorts here. Current V5 by the looks of it. Some spares that can be bought with it or after from the vendor, apparently. It's got chapter and verse there, look. Top spec, etc. down there. Bit of all sorts on there. Both front calipers overhauled. Have a quick flick through that actually. Top spec, full leather. OZ wheels, refurbished. The following exhaust or list of jobs been carried out. New radiator, water pump, overhaul, hoses replaced, front calipers, stainless steel exhaust, radio repaired. Wiper motor overhauled, speedometer replaced at 14 according to some correspondence, both headlamp raisers. So there you go. Previous owner bought the car for £7,000, look. So there you go, bit of all sorts. Some service stamps, etc. there, look. Maintenance record, bit of all sorts in there, and a file with a heap of bedtime reading. So I'm not getting it all out. You'll have to come and have a look and make up your own mind on all that, but there's quite a bit there to go at. Look, bits of all sorts of stuff. So you're more than welcome. Come down, have a little look. As I say, I'm not getting it all out for you. MOT till January next year, look, 2023 there. So nice long MOT. So there you go. Come down and have a little look. Thank you.